खुलुमबायख्या ताखुकते बुखुक संनो ते लामसगो आनि अ चेनेलो तिनि काइसा जब नोटिफिकेशन आंति फैकेनर निबागै अमंखा आसाम राइफल्स पब्लिक स्कूल उदयपुर गुमति तिरबानि इंगै अपॉइंटमेंट खाइतंगो काइसा प्रिंसिपल पोस्ट निबागै बनि बागै क्वालिफिकेशन नांनाय एमए एमएससी बीकॉम और बीए ऑनर्स ते लगी बीएड और डीएड or its equivalent nangnai te boni logi experience as recruited under any one of the following clauses at least 3 years experience of administrative charge of a recognized college high kaba high school kai 5 years experience nangnai high kaba at least 5 years experience of teaching in recognized college or high secondary school high kaba 8 years experience teaching experience nango high school ni hoite norok je nangko nainai di tai fix salary ka 14,000 apra yearly increase kaine borok as decided by the SMC tai omoni selection process ka pule online written test nai aboni pore online interview by the board of selection committee among ekdom selection will be purely on the merit basis nai tai appointment will be temporary basis on provision of 1 year and further extension will be given by the school managing committee based on the performance during the provision period as per rules of Assam Rifles Welfare Education Society tai o job no apply khaina ningke norok tam khaina ni email ma khaina noni pura kaisa application khaidi ajaga biodata nong islamdi ajaga noni contact number photocopy of all relevant documents along with passport size photograph nangnai tai addressing khaidi the principal Assam Rifles Public School Udaipur te boni email khaina ni address engka school underscore arudp@rediffmail.com takaisa email tongo abongka arpsudp@gmail.com latest by 10 days from the date of publication of the advertisement dates of return test and interview will be intimated telephonically nongno biodata homani pore borok interview date bufurungnai borok non sahonai norok jordongsi apply khaidi borok oro 10 days jorarkha norok 10 days ni bisingo no apply khaipaidi tai belekona hambai norok video naima bagai ang taisa kok sanamo songo jodi norok no o video rok help ongoi tongke please subscribe khaidi jate ang next time jeforang video upload khaikangke nongro direct notification thanani bagai tai ang try khai tongo daily no ojorao kaisa ke mane salo kaisa ke recruitment notice notification no sana bagai belekona hambai khulumbai ke